Just keep being you. Yeah.
Just keep being you.
Just keep being you.
Just keep being you.
Do what you do.
Do what you do.
Do what you do.
Being you.
When you're being you.
Just keep being you.
Never have to be like anybody else, cause you're my favorite person when you're being yourself. A true original right from the start, straight from the heart, a great work of art, you stand apart. You're a star, a celestial light, shining bright in my life through the darkest of nights. Just be yourself, we love you like that. Your beauty is true, never putting on an act. Yeah.
Just keep being you.
Just keep being you.
Just keep being you.
Doing what you do.
Doing what you do.
Doing what you do
Being you.
when you're being you.
Just keep being
Thought
you.
bubbles in my brain, bubbling up like champagne. So many memories of the places we've been. You and me have history, it's kind of insane. And I can't complain, cause you set me straight when I'm on the wrong train, or on the wrong bus, going the wrong direction, or on the wrong path. Or just when I'm in need of some serious laughs. You always grab the wheel when I'm about to crash. When it comes to speaking up for what's right, you're not afraid. If someone's in need, you're not the type to walk away. Everything you do it in your own way. And that's the definition of originality. I never knew that someone like you would come along and make the world seem incredibly new. So whatever you do, to thine own self be true. Definitely do be completely uniquely you.
Yeah.
Just keep being you.
Just keep being you.
Just keep being you.
Do what you do.
Doing what you do.
Do what you do.
Being you.
When you're being you.
Just keep.
Keep the focus inward. It's not a bad word. It's totally absurd to not be true to your inner nerd. Keep your head up high and walk real tall. Stick to your guns, you won't fall. I'm behind you all of the way. You might have heard me say, just press play. Launch yourself high, the sky's the limit. Cause in this game of life, you in it to win it.